Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another episode of Busy Beader. If you don't know me already, my name is Caitlin, and today we are going to celebrate all things spring with some gorgeous trumpet flower earrings. These kind of take inspiration from fuchsia flowers, but I wanted to create a design that was really easy to make unique and all your own, but had that gorgeous trumpet flower design. So that is what we are going to be doing today. But before we jump in, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They're the ones who give me all of my supplies, and they can be your supplier too. So head down to the description box below for a link to their website, as well as a link to my website where you will find all of my projects. And please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you do that, you get to hang out with me every week. And I love getting to hear from you all and start building this amazing community of creators. So now let's jump in today and make these gorgeous earrings together. Step 1. All right, today the tools you're going to need are a set of clippers and some round nose pliers. Then you are going to need some head pins, some eye pins, earring loops. You're going to need a trumpet flower. This is an acrylic one, and I chose this fuchsia color because I thought it matched with these beautiful yellow crystal passion beads right here. And then you're just going to need one little bicone green crystal passion to go on top here. And you're going to need all of these supplies twice since we're making 2 earrings, but I'm just going to show you how to make the first one and then let you tackle the second one all on your own. So let's jump in. Step 2. The first thing that we have to do is make our little flower center drops. So you're going to take one of your head pins and you're going to slide your yellow crystal passions bead onto it. And then we want one of these, we want all of these to hang at different lengths. So I'm just going to come down just a little bit, put an angle in it, and then I'm going to clip off the extra and go to the end here and flip it back around to make that loop. And we can go ahead and straighten that wire out with our fingers here, just like that. So you are going to repeat this 2 more times here, but you want the stems of these to be at different lengths. So on the second one, I'm going to make it just a little bit shorter. So I'm going to go ahead and thread another crystal onto another head pin, and I'm just going to lay it down right here, and I want it to be just a little bit shorter. So I'm going to want my top to be here. So I'm just going to grab it right there and put the angle in it, and then go through with my clippers here, and we're clipping off quite a bit more this time. And then make our loop. And sometimes as you're making loops, your wire does funny thing. Great thing about wire is that you just push it back the other direction, straighten it out, and make it look nice. So there we have our second one. And now we want our last one to be even shorter. So you kind of get a cascading effect is what we're going for. So we're just going to do the exact same thing here where we slide our crystal on, and then we're going to roughly find the spot where it will sit appropriately and make the angle. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, but just kind of go for the general aim and you will get close enough, I promise. And we're just making our final loop here. Step 3. And now we need to add all 3 of these to this here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take our eye pin, and we are going to open our eye pin up, and we're just going to slide all 3 of our little dangle drops here onto our eye pin, and then give it a close. Now that we have all of those here, we are going to thread this through our trumpet flower here, and then we're going to slide on our crystal. And now we are going to make a loop the way that we normally make a loop. Instead of at the end or anything, we're going to go right above our crystal bead here and make an angle. We're going to cut off our excess. I'm going to leave myself just a little bit more this time. That way I don't have to go through and redo it. I can always cut off more later and spin that loop back around. Step 4. And now we just need to attach our earring loop. So we are going to grab our earring loop here and open it up. and we're gonna slide this on, and we don't have to worry about which direction it's going because everything's gonna spin on it. So you can just go ahead and put it on the earring loop and close the earring loop up. And there she is, a beautiful trumpet flower. Step 5. And you are gonna go ahead and repeat this whole process one more time for a second earring. Once you do that, meet me back here. There you have it, beautiful trumpet flower earrings, and you can really make this design very unique. These acrylic flowers come in many, many different colors, and you can of course put any kind of color crystal you'd like on it. You can use silver or rose gold for your findings, so you can really make this process all your own, but I thought that I would show you this little flower inspiration for spring. There you have it, a really simple but elegant, beautiful design that you can customize to whatever colors you would like, create whatever kind of trumpet flower you like. I thought that this fuchsia and the yellow beads just paired really well together. I'm super happy with how they turned out. I hope that you enjoyed getting to make these with me today. As always, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fairmountain Gems and Beads, and please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That way you can join me for more flower crafts. We do them all the time because I'm a big fan of flowers. So if you also love flower jewelry, this is definitely the place for you. I hope that you're having a very lovely start to your spring season, and I will see you in the next one.